At precisely 4 a.m. Universal Time, October 3rd, the skies over Mars came alive. What was meant to be a quiet flyby became an event no one was ready for. The object known as 3I Atlas drifted past Mars, not as a simple comet, but as something entirely new. Every probe, every camera turned toward it. Then Mars responded. At first, the readings seemed normal. A faint green glow, a calm tail of dust and gas. But within minutes, brightness surged. The surface temperature spiked. Gases erupted that should have stayed frozen. It was as if the comet knew it was being watched. Then came the auroras. Mars, a world too thin for such lights, suddenly shimmered with color, purple, green, and crimson waves flowing across its night side. No solar flare had triggered them. The source was the comet itself. Data showed a strange rhythm pulsing between Mars and the visitor. A magnetic heartbeat. Curiosity and Perseverance both detected faint vibrations. The red planet wasn't silent anymore, it was humming. Moments later, fragments broke off the comet, spiraling with perfect symmetry. They didn't scatter. They aligned, moving as if under control. Then came methane spikes, sudden and unexplained. Something had passed between Mars and 3I Atlas, something measurable, maybe intentional. Next came the hum. A steady pulse every 22 seconds, picked up by multiple spacecraft. It wasn't noise. It was pattern. Some called it plasma resonance. Others whispered it was a reply. Then, just as suddenly, it stopped. When dawn broke, Mars was changed. Chemical traces appeared that shouldn't exist. Magnetic fields shifted. Energy readings formed patterns, almost like circuitry. Something beneath the dust had awakened. Far from Mars, the James Webb Telescope watched as the comet moved away. Instead of cooling, it grew hotter. Its emissions pulsed in perfect mathematical order. Light patterns formed spirals, structured, precise, deliberate. It wasn't random. Soon, Earth began to feel echoes of the same rhythm. Radio telescopes caught repeating signals buried in static. A cosmic heartbeat, steady and growing stronger. The same pulse that had touched Mars was now reaching us. And when the night skies glowed faint green, scientists realized the truth. It wasn't just passing through. It was listening. It was answering. We had looked into the cosmos searching for signs of life. But what we found instead was a mirror, and it was looking back. Would you like me to make this even shorter, for a 1 to 2 minute voiceover? Or keep this medium short version?